Hello students, welcome to BioNuggets. So today we are going to learn about Chargaff's rules. Now we all know that DNA is made up of 4 nucleotide bases, which are adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Now adenine and guanine fall under purines and thymine and cytosine fall under pyrimidines. So Chargaff's first rule states about complementary base pairing. It states that adenine pairs with thymine and guanine pairs up with cytosine. So the amount of A would always be equal to amount of T and amount of G would always be equal to amount of C. Hence the amount of purines would always be equal to the amount of pyrimidines in a DNA double helix. Now this complementary base pairing is essential for maintaining the stability and structure of the DNA double helix. Now Chargaff's second rule states that the ratio of purines to pyrimidines would always be equal to 1. That is, A plus G upon T plus C would always be equal to 1. Why is it so? Because A would always pair up with T, hence the amount of A would always be equal to amount of T, and G would always pair up with C, hence the amount of G would always be equal to amount of C, hence the numerator and denominator would always hold the same values and would cancel out to give us 1. These equal ratios of complementary base pairs also ensure the stability and structure of the DNA double helix. Now Chargaff's third rule states that A plus T upon G plus C is equal to a constant value. Now this constant value could be more than 1, it could be less than 1, or it can be equal to 1. And this constant value varies from species to species. So to summarize, rule number 1, amount of A is equal to amount of T and amount of G is equal to amount of C. Rule number 2, A plus G upon T plus C is always equal to 1. That is, the ratio of purines to pyrimidines is always equal to 1. Rule number 3, A plus T upon G plus C is equal to a constant value. This value could be more than 1, less than 1 or equal to 1. And this value varies from species to species. So that was all about Chargaff's rule, students. Follow me on Biology with MJ. Bye-bye.